Did you know 87% of AI projects failed to make it into production last year? Now, less than 1% of AI agents made it into production last year. Why is that? Right now, AI is hardly an avoidable topic of conversation, but there's significant confusion on how to leverage AI to drive real business value and results. You have management teams telling their people, get us into AI, and you've got fear of disruption across every industry. This is culminating in a moment where everyone feels like everything is moving at breakneck speed, but I'm getting nowhere. The reason for this is everyone is chasing AI. It's technology in search of a problem. That's not what we're doing here. We are not chasing AI. We are leveraging AI to solve real business problems. We're pursuing use cases for customers that drive the top line, the bottom line, and the customer experience. AI might not be simple, but it doesn't have to be complex. If you're finding it difficult to navigate these complex waters, reach out to us today. We can help.